are you, my friend?
I'm champion. Dennis, this is Yogi.
Nice to meet you, Yogi.
Yorgo.
Oh, sorry.
I have to tell you, this not soft job.
No.
Many of my peoples, they work hop fields or they pluck chickens. Not right for this. This needs skilled man, engineer, military.
Is this leading up to you asking me for more money?
This is leading up to me ask for more money, yes.
No. We had a deal, pal, remember? Now, if you are trying to shaft me, I've still got 2 weeks to get somebody else.
You not find someone else, you walk through me.
How much extra do you want?
10,000.
10,000? Knob off. What's up with him?
He is upset because you upset me.
Oh. Well, how upset would he be if I gave you a slap?
Look, Oz, you know, he's got a point. I mean, he couldn't pull a bridge down, man. We're chicken pluckers. Maybe there's some middle ground here, you know? I mean, how about we give you £5,000 now, then if you knock the bridge down within 6 weeks, we'll give you another 5,000 bonus.
Aye.
His deal. Your friend think with his head.
What does your friend think with his bollocks?
Stop bullshit. You have advance?
It's all there.
Very good. Monday 25th, you have 50 peoples.
I can't believe you're going to give that bloke a slap, man. He had a gun. You can see it sticking out of his jacket.
Ah, window dressing.
I'll tell you what, lad. It's only be safe for just driving a mini cab.